Today I am reviewing BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is one of those products that genuinely surprises you with how powerful and efficient it is, especially given its compact size. Designed for deep cleaning carpets, furniture, and even your car's interior, this cleaner brings together steam, strong suction, and an advanced oxy cleaning formula that delivers up to 50% better cleaning performance than traditional portable machines. At first glance, the Little Green HydroSteam looks modern and premium, with its sleek black and copper harbor design. It weighs only about 13 pounds, making it easy to carry around, but still feels solid and well-built. With dimensions of 15.5 inches deep, 12.5 inches wide, and 14.5 inches tall, it's compact enough to store almost anywhere, perfect for apartments or small homes. The real magic lies in its HydroSteam technology. This system combines the power of steam with BISSELL's strong suction to lift even the most stubborn stains. It's especially effective on set-in dirt, pet messes, or greasy spots that other cleaners struggle with. You can choose from 3 cleaning modes: SteamWash, Steam, and Wash. The SteamWash mode tackles tough, oily messes with a combination of steam and detergent. The Steam mode is perfect for refreshing upholstery, cleaning tile, or tackling grout without using harsh chemicals. And the Wash mode is designed for enzyme-based stains like pet accidents or food spills. Switching between modes is simple, and the results are impressive no matter which one you use. Another standout feature is the quick drying time. Upholstery can dry in as little as 30 minutes, which means you won't have to wait long to sit on your freshly cleaned furniture or drive your car again. For busy households, that's a big win. The HydroSteam also comes with versatile cleaning tools. You get a 5-inch tough stain tool that works great on carpets, stairs, and car interiors, as well as a multi-surface tool that lets you clean tile, grout, and even sneakers. That flexibility makes this cleaner incredibly practical for a wide range of uses, not just carpets. The dual tank system is another thoughtful feature. With a 64-ounce clean water tank, you can clean multiple areas before needing to refill. The tanks are easy to remove and empty, keeping maintenance quick and simple. And included in the box is BISSELL's Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator with Stain Protect formula. It's a powerful cleaner that doesn't just remove stains, it prevents them from coming back. If you have pets or kids, this formula is a game changer. Another reason to love BISSELL is their mission. Every purchase helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which works to save homeless pets. So when you buy this cleaner, you're also helping a good cause. When it comes to everyday use, the HydroSteam is easy to handle. The hose is flexible, the tools attach securely, and the buttons are clearly marked. It's intuitive enough for anyone to use without needing to read the manual from start to finish. The noise level is also quite manageable, powerful, but not overwhelming. Durability is another strong point. BISSELL includes a 3-year limited warranty, which shows confidence in the build quality. The product currently holds a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars from thousands of customer reviews, and it's ranked among the top sellers in the home and kitchen category, especially for carpet and upholstery cleaners. That kind of user satisfaction says a lot about how well it performs in real homes. In short, the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam is a compact yet incredibly capable cleaning machine. It's powerful enough to remove tough stains, versatile enough for multiple surfaces, and smart enough to dry everything fast. Whether you're a pet owner, a car enthusiast, or just someone who wants their home to stay spotless without spending hours cleaning, this is a fantastic choice. It's practical, efficient, and built with quality. Plus, it's backed by a brand that actually gives back to the community. If you want professional-level cleaning performance without hearing a cleaning service, the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam is easily one of the best portable cleaners you can buy right now.